What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about gaming headsets on the market, the HyperX Cloud 2. This headset has been around for a while, but its popularity hasn't faded. Stick around as we unbox it, take a closer look at the design and features. I've been using the HyperX Cloud 2 for a couple of months now while playing Counter-Strike 2, and I've been really impressed. The surround sound helps me hear every detail, like footsteps and gunfire, which is a huge advantage in game. Plus it's so comfortable that I can game for hours without any issue. First up, let's crack this open and see what's inside. The HyperX always keeps their packaging sleek, and the Cloud 2 is no different. Sliding off the cover, we're met with the familiar branded insert and the headset's user manual tucked neatly inside. First up, there's a layer of plastic protection ensuring the headset arrives in perfect condition. Inside the box, we've got a pair of extra ear cushions for those who prefer the breathable feel of fabric over the sleek leatherette. And here it is, the HyperX Cloud 2. We'll dive into the headset itself in just a moment, but first, let me just get this attachment out in the side. Here included is a detachable mic that can bend to what you desire. Right here on the top, you've got the iconic HyperX branding, clean, subtle, and a nice touch to complete the premium look of the headset. On the side here, you'll find the jack for the detachable microphone. It's simple to plug in and gives you the flexibility to switch between gaming and casual use. Underneath the headphones and plastic, there's another box holding the standout feature, the USB control box. This little device is what unlocks the virtual 7.1 surround sound, taking your audio experience to the next level. Let me just get out this bag and I'll give you a little close-up. This USB control box plugs right into your rig, PlayStation or Xbox to get everything up and running seamlessly. It's your all-in-one connection for great sound and communication. As I plug the mic into the headset, you can see how easy it is to attach. Just a quick snap and you're good to go. Now let me show you how it feels. Putting the headphones on, the comfort is instantly noticeable. The memory foam ear cushions mold perfectly to my ears and the lightweight design ensures I can wear them for hours without any discomfort. Let me quickly show you how easy it is to connect the headphones to the USB control box. Simply plug the jack into the USB box. It's that simple, no complex setup required. Then just connect the USB to your computer and you're good to go. On the control box, you've got the volume dials for both the headphones and the mic, allowing you to adjust on the fly. In the centre, you've got the power button. By pressing it, you can activate the 7.1 surround sound for enhanced audio experience. Just to give you a quick demo, though I'm sure even a toddler could do this, if you prefer, you can simply plug the headphone jack directly into your controller. No USB box needed, that's it. Just like that, you're ready to jump into your game. Here we've got the leather ear cushions, which are soft and comfortable, but if you prefer a more breathable feel, you can easily switch them out for the fabric ones. Let me quickly show you how. Switching to the fabric ear cushions is super easy. They hook onto a small ridge that runs around the headphones, ensuring a secure, snug fit. You just align them with the ridge and gently stretch them into place, no tools required. Once they're on, they offer a breathable feel, perfect for longer gaming sessions or warmer environments. It's a quick swap that gives you a completely different texture and comfort experience. I personally prefer the leather cushions for that premium feel, but of course it's all about personal preference. Everyone has their own taste, and that fabric option is a great choice for those who want something more breathable. The HyperX Cloud 2 Wide version, which I'm using here, is an outstanding option at £50. It delivers fantastic sound quality, comfort and durability. However, if you're looking to upgrade, there's also a wireless version available, usually priced at £150, but often you can catch it on sale for around £80. The wireless model offers the same great features with the added convenience of going cable free and boasts up to 30 hours of battery life, making it perfect for extended gaming sessions. So is the HyperX Cloud 2 worth it in 2024? I'd say it definitely is. This headset has earned its place as a favourite in the gaming community thanks to its comfort, impressive sound quality and reliable durability. Whether you're gaming, working or you just need a dependable headset, it ticks all the boxes. Let me know in the comments if you've used these or are considering picking them up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews. See you in the next video.